Welcome everyone back to 3 Inquisitive Kids, and in this video we will be looking at a challenge question, so let's get started. If x squared minus 3x is equal to negative 1, then find the value of x cubed minus 8x. So we're trying to find the value of x cubed minus 8x. Let's get that over here. The key point to solving this problem is to try to reduce the index of x. For example, in our first equation here, there's an x squared, and we're going to try our best to turn x squared into x to the first power. And in our second expression, there's x cubed. Let's try to get that down to x squared and hopefully even x to the first power. So how can we do that? Well, we can first factor out an x from both x cubed and minus 8x. So we'll have x times the difference of x squared minus 8. All right. And now let's move back to the equation. X squared, if we add 3x on both sides, we have x squared is equal to 3x minus 1. And this is another form of reducing the power of x, because every single time we have x squared now, we can replace that with 3x minus 1, where the x only has 1 as its index. So we can replace that right now, where if we replace x squared with 3x minus 1, we get 3x minus 9. So here we're going to pause and then go back to this equation again. Let's first try to divide both sides by x. So on the left side, we have x minus 3 is equal to negative 1 over x. So because of that, we know x is equal to negative 1 over x plus 3. So now we can apply this again into what we have over here, this x. So we have negative 1 over x plus 3 times the difference between 3x and 9. And applying the distributive property, we get negative 3 plus 9 over x plus 9x plus minus 27. Here we have two constant values, negative 3 and negative 27. So let's go ahead and combine those while we factor out a 9 from both 9 over x and 9x. So we have 9 times the sine of 1 over x plus x and minus 30. And now you'll see that that over here, 1 over x plus x is equal to 3, because if we change this equation up a little and we multiply and we add 1 over x on both sides, x plus 1x is equal to 3. So now we can substitute yet again, and we get 9 times 3 minus 30. So our final answer is negative 3.